on this special vac right there, Clean Dynamix. A lot of people mess up right here in this process. This is the interior. First you put this bag in. Make sure you get it in all the way where it's all the way down. Then your dust bag goes in. There again, make sure it's all the way down. Now this next step is very important. You got clips on both sides. Line them up perfect on both sides. And that way when you clamp it down, it's on tight. If you don't get it lined up, the bags will separate. When you kick this thing on, it's not going to work like it needs to. That's plain and simple.